Hello friends, today we repair the case of an iPhone 15 Pro. Let's take a look. The glass behind this is damaged. Both the bottom and the top are damaged. This friend asked to replace it with an original disassembled case. Now let's take a look. Before repairing, let's test the airtightness of this phone. Let's see if it has the original waterproof and dustproof performance. Start vacuuming. After the pressure is reached, the pressure needs to be maintained for 20 seconds. The air tightness has passed the test and it still has the original waterproof and dustproof performance. Next we start to remove the bottom screws. Put it into the tool specially used to remove the screen. Evenly heats the surrounding area of the phone. After the temperature is reached, heating still needs to continue for 2 minutes. Heating completed, let's put down the suction cup and fix the screen. Slowly lift the rotating handle above the screen. He has torque. This way, the middle frame and screen will not be easily damaged. The screen has been disassembled. We're going to take off the phone. Take off your phone and wear an electrostatic bracelet. Let's start taking apart the screen. It's very clean inside. No traces of demolition or repairs. Now we are ready to protect the face component. Start removing the screws from this screen guard. To replace the entire middle frame, you need to replace the motherboard, battery, camera, face component, speaker. Also, the vibrations below need to be removed. This workload, it's like reassembling a mobile phone. The screen has been removed. Next we start to disassemble this camera. Now let's remove the screws of this earpiece. Remove the fixing screws of the motherboard in turn. Unlock the camera cable. Remove the rear camera. Give him some protection. Then pry open all the cables on the motherboard. Remove the handset. Remove the face component. We are now ready to remove the motherboard. There is also a screen on the back of the motherboard, of wiring. We need to take this shield off. Pry open the cable and remove the motherboard. Now we start to remove this vibration and speaker. Where are these screws that were removed? We all have to put it in the designated location. It is easy to make mistakes when installing it back. Okay, now let's take off the speakers. Remove the shock. Next we start to remove the battery glue. The purpose of removing the vibration and speaker is for convenience. Remove battery glue. Remove the battery. Next we are going to remove the mobile phone charging port. There are many screws on the mobile phone charging port. We are going to take it down one by one. Remove the mobile phone charging port. Remove the power on keyboard cable. Take off the radar. All accessories required for the mobile phone have been completely disassembled. Let's take a look at the left side. The middle frame is broken and the right side is intact. Now we start to clean up the remaining waterproof glue on the middle frame. Be sure to clean it up. iPhone 12 and above models. This waterproof glue is more time consuming to clean. iPhone 12 and above models. The properties of these waterproof glues are the same. Now let's use a glue remover to give him a rough cleaning first. Then we use this dust-free cloth and alcohol to clean the middle frame. The remaining waterproof glue and dust around the middle frame need to be cleaned up. Cleanup completed. We found prying marks on the bottom of the middle frame. It should be the marks left by using a razor blade when disassembling the phone. Here are all the phone accessories we took apart: battery, screen, mid-frame, camera, motherboard, and mobile phone cables and other screws. In total, we removed 64 screws. Now we start to install the mobile phone charging port. Reinstall the phone's power button cable. Install all cables. And this LiDAR. Next we start to install the vibration and speakers. First install the screws into a fixed position. We'll add a fixed torque to it later. The vibration and speakers have been installed. Let's start installing the motherboard. Install the mobile phone screen cable and clean it. Reinstall the protective panel. Tighten the set screws. Install the motherboard. Then install all the cables on the motherboard. Now we start to tighten the motherboard fixing screws. Then we add torque to it. The motherboard has been installed. Start installing face parts. Install the handset. Also, first drive the screws into a fixed position, then add torque to it. Next we start installing the rear camera. Install the camera cable. Clean up. Tighten the set screws. The 3 camera screws, it is different in length. Be sure not to install it incorrectly. The camera has been installed. Let's start installing the battery. Buckle the battery cable. Put down the battery. Use the battery protection board to protect the battery. Then we put it into the battery pressing tool. Press back and forth 3 times. Press complete. Remove the battery protection plate. Let's clean up the screen again. Residual waterproof glue. You also need to clean up the dust around the screen. Screen cleaning completed. Next we start preparing to apply this new waterproof glue. Give him some pressure. Peel off the second layer of protective film of waterproof glue. Start installation screen. Install the mobile phone screen cable and clean it. Reinstall the protective panel. First install the screws to the designated position. We will apply a fixed torque to each screw later. Protection plate installation completed. We peel off the last protective film of waterproof glue. Ready to install on screen. Let's check again before installing the screen. Make sure there are no problems and let's start the installation screen. Then we peel off this tempered film, clear the screen, put it into the waterproof glue pressure maintaining tool. Hold pressure for 30 seconds. An average pressure of 75 kilograms can be maintained for 30 seconds. Pressure holding completed. We tighten the screws on the bottom of the phone. Let's test the air tightness of this phone again. Let's see if we can restore the phone's original waterproof and dustproof properties after replacing the middle frame. Pressure reaches holding pressure for 20 seconds. The air tightness is restored and the original waterproof and dustproof performance is restored at the same time. Next, let's clean up the loosening net and earpiece net. There is also dust in the speaker net and the mobile phone charging port. Let's take a look at what it looks like after the replacement.